Okay, 3.1 section, exercise 15, 17. Okay, obviously 15 is a function. According to the definition of the function, remember each value, each element in the domain is associated only one element in the range. Only one. This is the key idea. Only one. Entonces es obvio. Look at the arrow diagram and the 15. Que we have only one. So you associate Elvis and January 8, Colleen, January 8, but only one, not two. So it's typical many to one. Many to one. See, it's one here, no problem, it's a function. And the domain is the set formed by Elvis, Colleen, Khaled, and Marisa. The range, of course, is the set formed by January 8, is their birthday, March 15, and September 17. Okay, this is the idea and the exercise 15. And this exercise 17 is different because it's obvious. Look in the arrow diagram. Okay, we have a many to one. No. One too many. One too many. Because 24 hours associated with 200 and 300. So of course it's no function. Okay. Okay, super. Now 19. 19 is no function. Why not? Because the element 2 is associated with two different values of the other set. Is associated with 6 and associated with 10. Entonces it's no function. No function. 21. Oh, 21, yes. 21, yes. It's a function. Of course, not one-to-one, but it's a function. And the domain is the set formed by the element 1, 2, 3, 4. And the range is the element formed only one element, get 3. Not necessarily repeat again. 23. No function. Because -2 is associated at 4, is associated at 6. That's no function. Okay, and 25. 25, yes. 25, yes, is a function. 25, yes. And the domain is the element formed by -2, -1, 0 and 1. And the range is the element formed by 4, 1, 0 and 1. And 1 not necessarily repeat again. Like that. This is 25. Okay, now it's different because it's a equation. And we have two possibilities. When the equation is explicit, is when the y is isolated, and when the x and when it's implicit is when the y is not isolated. For example, 27, look at the equation, it's a function. 29, look at the equation, it's a function. Okay, another possibility is doing the graph using graphic calculator, or you know by memory the graph. For example, 27, the graph is the square function can look like that. It's a parabola. And you apply the vertical line test, it crossing only one point. Entonces it's a function. 27, ese es 27. Yes. And you can do like that, or by intuition, o sea, one value of the x produces only one value of the y in the equation. It's obvious, it's elemental. Like y29 is a reciprocal function. Okay, a reciprocal function look like that, the graph. And you apply the vertical line test, crossing only one point. Always. 31, 31 no, so 31 is different. First of all, 31, look at that, is implicit form to express the function, because y is not completely isolated, so you must do something extra. You take out square root both sides here, and y is equal plus and minus the square root 4 minus x squared. This is obvious. This is obvious que it's not function, because one value of the x corresponds to two values of the y, one positive and one negative. Okay, this is one way to see the problem. Another way to see the problem is, look, let me start at the beginning again. Y squared is equal 4 minus x squared. You put x squared on the left hand side plus y squared equal 4. It's obvious that this is the equation of the circle. Center in the origin, and the radius 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then this circle look like that. And when you apply the vertical line test, fail because crossing two points. So it's no function. Obviously 31 is no function. Similar to 33. 33 is no function. Again, let me explain why. Let me proof. Okay, no, it's no function. Okay, 33. 33, one more time, is x equal y squared. It's implicit form. Y is not isolated. If you try to isolate y, you take out square root both sides. Y alone is equal plus and minus radical x. Again, one value of the x produces two values of the y, no function. 35. 35 is a polynomial function. It's nice. 35, yes. Yes. To want to make sure, put in the calculator. You have graphic calculator. And you put in the calculator the function. Okay, it's 2 x squared minus 3 x plus 4. Now graph. No, let's go to the zoom standard 6. Oh yes, it's a parabola. Now when you apply the vertical line test, of course pass, it's a function. 35 is a function. Okay, 35 is a function. 37, oh no, wait. 37 is again implicit for why I know that, because y is not isolated. The 37 is 2 2 x squared plus 3y squared equal 1. You solve for y. Entonces 3y squared is equal to 1 minus 2x squared divided by 3 both sides. Y squared is equal to 1 minus 2x squared over 3. Now square root both sides because I want to isolate y is equal plus or minus square root 1 minus 2x squared over 3. It's obvious that one value of the x producing two values of the y, one positive and another negative. No function again. This is 37, no function. Okay, 39. Evaluate f at 0 is easy as function notation. It's just plugging in 0 and the variable x. Everything is 0, the answer is negative 4. F evaluate at 1 is 3, 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 4. 1 squared is 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2 minus 4 is 5 minus 4 is 1. F evaluate at negative 1 is 3 negative 1 squared plus 2 times negative 1 minus 4. This is negative 1 squared is 1 times 3 is 3 minus 2 minus 4. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Alright, now using variable. Suppose f evaluate at negative x is 3 times negative x squared plus 2 negative x minus 4. Negative x squared, positive x squared, entonces 3x squared positive minus plus or minus minus 2x minus 4. And when it's negative outside, the interpretation this is to change the negative completely. All things is negative. It's negative 1. Multiply everything by negative 1. Therefore, it's negative 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. Oh, completely opposite side. And now f evaluate at x plus 1 is substitution x for x plus 1 squared plus 2 times x plus 1 minus 4. Of course, simplification, this you apply foil here is 3 times x squared plus 2x plus 1, and distribute the property here is 2x plus 2 minus 4. Entonces 3x squared plus 6x plus 3 plus 2x plus 2 minus 4. So basically it's 3x squared combined like term is 8x and 3, 5 minus 4 is 1. This is the answer for this. Now f evaluate 2x. Substitution x for 2x is 3 times 2x squared plus 2 times 2x minus 4. And 2 to the second power is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. X squared plus 4x minus 4. And finally, f and x plus h is 3 times x plus h squared plus 2 times x plus h minus 4. We foil here 3 times x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus distributed here 2x plus 2h minus 4. Multiplication 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 2x plus 2h minus 4. And this is the answer for this. Okay, that was 39.